And we're gonna slap it on them wings, put it in the oven, and eat good, period. We're making a homemade sauce.
So this is how we're gonna do it.
What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your girl, Kiana&Jigg.
Alright, look, man. We're gonna be making a sauce today for our wings.
We're making a homemade sauce.
So this is how we're gonna do it. Each time we're gonna pick what seasoning and sauce that we want. You pick one sauce and one seasoning.
Okay.
One sauce and one seasoning. Bring it back to the table. Dump it in the bowl, and then we're gonna see what we come up with.
Okay. So we're gonna show you all the sauces and seasonings that we got so far.
Alright, so what's your first seasoning and your first sauce gonna be?
Okay, teriyaki and lemon pepper. So, just a little bit.
What do you think? Whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Alright.
That's one seasoning, one sauce.
The sauce that I'm gonna go with, I think I'm gonna go with the original Kraft's barbecue.
Okay.
Yeah.
With my lemon pepper and my teriyaki. Okay. Period.
Alright. So what you gonna go with next?
I'm gonna go with this roasted garlic and herb seasoning and a little A1 sauce.
Yeah.
Let's see what this you know, just a little. Nothing too, because it'd be a little bit tangy. Put some seasonings up in there. Boom.
I'm gonna go with some blackened seasoning
Some honey French.
and some honey French.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna take it a little bit to the spicy side. Sriracha. And y'all know we cannot forget the garlic powder. So put some garlic powder in here. And some sriracha.
Yes, sir. Can't forget this.
The honey.
Can't forget this. So I'm gonna do just a little tad bit. Little tad bit.
Cause that's spicy. It says hot and spicy on the jar.
We'll do a little bit of this Jamaican jerk seasoning right here in the jar. And some honey. Put some honey in there. I say just about that much.
Cause I put a lot of sriracha in it too. Okay, my turn. We gonna go with some seasoned salt, the regular schmegular, and some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. I love the way it smells. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy.
Too crazy.
Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Let me mix it up. This is how it's looking so far, y'all.
I think I'm gonna add just a little something more.
What do you want to add, babe?
Just some onion powder and just a couple drops of Tabasco.
Okay.
I mean, why not? We just doing some We was doing stuff. Bam.
This is gonna be some spicy wings. That. And we gonna stir it up. And this is the finished product. Our homemade sauce. Homemade sauce. And we're gonna slap it on them wings. Put it in the oven.